Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you what is the best ERP software, SAP versus Oracle versus Microsoft Dynamics 365 versus NetSuite and versus Odoo. Let's start with SAP. For its pros and cons. Pros are highly scalable and customizable, extensive features for finance, supply chain, HR, and manufacturing, industry-specific solutions. For its cons, expensive to implement and maintain, requires significant expertise for configuration and use. Now for its pricing, typically high, tailored for enterprise-level budgets. It is best for large enterprises with complex operations. Now let's go with Oracle. For its pros and cons, pros is comprehensive suite covering finance, procurement, project management, and risk management. Advanced AI and machine learning capabilities for process automation and highly secure and reliable. For its cons, high learning curve, premium pricing not ideal for smaller organizations. For its pricing, enterprise level requires consultation for detailed pricing. It is best for enterprises looking for a cloud-first, robust ERP solution. Third is Microsoft Dynamics 365. For its pros and cons, pros is seamless integration with Microsoft tools, scalable cloud-based solution with modular features, and user-friendly interface. For its cons, may require significant customization for specific industries, and costs can increase with added modules. Pricing is mid-range, with flexible pricing option for different modules. It is best for mid-sized to large businesses seeking flexibility and Microsoft integration. Fourth is the NetSuite. For its pros and cons, pros are strong financial management and inventory capabilities, has a built-in e-commerce functionality and a cloud-native and easy to deploy. For its cons, limited industry-specific features compared to SAP and Oracle, and its costs may rise as businesses scale. For its pricing, mid-range, tailored quotes based on company size and needs. It is best for small to medium-sized businesses with a focus on financials and e-commerce. Lastly is the Odoo. For its pros and cons, pros are highly modular and customizable with over 30,000 apps. Affordable with a free community version and paid enterprise options. Intuitive interface, suitable for non-technical users. For its cons, less robust for large, complex operations. And open source version requires technical skills for deployment and customization. For its pricing, free for the community version. Enterprise pricing is competitive. It is best for small businesses and startups seeking a cost-effective and open source ERP. And that's basically it.